I'm always doing the most. Finish my cup and reload. Let it swing right back. Let it swing right back.
Hey you guys, welcome back to another video. So today's video we are using Cheshire Cat and also this acrylic, which is 198, and these UV stars from Glitter Planet. So check the links down below because I'll have everything listed there. Also, my hand is looking like this in this vid because I've just peeled off my previous design, so please forgive me. I will be using the number 10 Nailmate acrylic brush, which I absolutely love. It's so freaking bomb to work with, and I think I might move on to the aqua brush number 12 because I'm ready for some size, y'all. Okay, so we're straight into this set, and as you can see, I have a new practice hand. Like, my house is full of these fake hands, like everywhere. Seriously, the kids are going mental. Husband's like crazy. Practice hands flying all over the place. No, seriously, they are bomb. I will be doing a full review video so that you guys can sort of get an idea of which you would like to purchase if you want to purchase any, and also I may well go ahead and purchase some and do a giveaway because I'm feeling fancy like that. So this nail was just the purple and the glitter mixed as an ombre. It turned out bomb, looked freaking gorgeous, and yeah, please don't mind my shoddy application and the fact that it looks like I do not know how to do nails. The reason for this is because the monomer that I was using is NSI, which I do love. However, me being me, I'd done a set the day before and left my monomer out all night without a lid. Regardless of whether you put a lid on it or not, if you leave the monomer out of a bottle and air can get to it, you are gonna experience a few problems when you come to use it, because part of the solution, part of the liquid, the chemicals in that product are going to start to evaporate, and it's going to make your monomer not react as well, and the chemical process is going to be either delayed, a bit sloppy, a bit crap, unmanageable, to be honest. However, I struggled through it. I really could not be bothered to pour any more monomer from the bottle that was sat beside me. How freaking lazy is that? Like, seriously? On another level. Anyway, I struggled all through this set, all the way up until I had to encapsulate the nails, and I was like, seriously, I'm gonna have to pour some now because I'm not capping the nails, but the struggle is real. I'm just going in with all the acrylics. Like I said, the only thing that I knew that I wanted to do with this set is a bunch of grapes and use the Cheshire Cat glitter because I've wanted to use that from when I did the previous set but changed it up to Cherry Bomb. If you've seen that video, you'll know what I'm talking about. If not, go and watch it please. Like, seriously, stop being so rude and check out my content. So in this video, I've decided not to explain to you guys how I'm applying things and all that jazz because, to be honest, it was a total mess. Like, the application process was disastrous, but you can see the design process and everything like that. I've applied a few glitter ombre nails, a full star nail with the acrylic behind, and just a plain nude nail because this is where our bunch of grapes, the 3D art, is going to go. So yes, look at this Cheshire Cat glitter. Honestly, it's absolutely freaking gorgeous. I really want to do it in a set on my nails, but I have an upcoming wedding that I'm going to be going to, and I'm wearing a dress which is like mustard, so I need something to match those. If you have any suggestions, let me know. I want glitter, I want full bling, obviously, going crazy. Anyway, moving on to the thumb, I'm just going to go ahead and apply that purple. I'm going to do an ombre fade again with the glitter. The struggle is real. This is literally painful for me to watch and do the voiceover, but we all have these mistakes and these problems. So if you've ever left your monomer in a pot and you've come to use it the next day, please don't. Just soak it up, pop it in the bin, put some fresh in. Your day is going to be so much better. Your nail sets are going to turn out bomb. I know you feel like you're saving that liquid and you're saving yourself some money, but for the hassle and stress that it can give you, it really is pointless. Take that advice from someone who really tried to save. When I first started, I was freaking pouring back into the bottle and everything. Like, how disgraceful is that? And that wasn't with clients. This was just when I was doing my own nails. But I'd literally do a set of nails and I was like, oh god, I've got like a full dapping dish left. Let's pour this back in. So I popped it back in. But that is just going to contaminate the whole entire bottle. And then your liquid is going to be damned. It's going to be doomed straight to the bin. Well, not necessarily to the bin. Maybe use it for design work or something. But just please, once you've finished with your monomer, get some fresh. Even if you're using a monomer like all day and you've got it in a dapping dish and you don't top it up any because you've got enough in there to last you the full day, throughout that day you'll find possibly that your sets are going to get harder and harder to control. Your acrylic's going to be a little bit different, the consistency of your beads, because all throughout that day the what is it called? It's just evaporating, like particles out of that liquid are evaporating, and the effect, usage and adhesion of the liquid is going to be so much different because the composition of the chemicals are changing throughout the day as it hits and evaporates the air into the air. Damn, that sounded so sophisticated. So proud of myself. So now I've finished encapsulating my entire design. I'm coming in and we are going to EFILE these nails. I'm using the medium smooth top ceramic bit and it's from Nailmate. It's available at glitterplanetuk.com. I'll have it linked down below for you guys. And I love using this for finish filing. Well, I say finish filing, I always come in with a hand file afterwards, but I always love to use this bit before I come in with a hand file. So first off, I just want to say that this practice hand so far is the best one that I've used with the EFILE. There was still a little bit of movement, but I'm gonna tell you now, it definitely wasn't as much as the others, and I do think that it's because it's posable. It obviously has something in the fingers that run throughout the fingers, and it obviously offers it a little bit of structure and strength, so it doesn't bend as much. I did find that with the hand file it definitely did bend the same amount because the rods that run down the fingers must not run to the tip. So yeah, it still wasn't 100% like bomb, but it was definitely better than the others through the filing process. Once I finish filing, I just remove any extra dust. These things get so freaking dusty, it's unbelievable. So there was still a little bit left on, but I do my best. I'm coming in with some of the AB crystals from Glitter Planet, and then we're going to go ahead and apply the top coat and do the 3D design. Okay, so I'm coming in with my number 5 Nailmate 3D brush and I'm going to go ahead and start making the grapes. Literally all I'm doing is just applying the small purple beads in a grape shape. That sounds so funny, grape shape. Just to make a shape of a bunch of grapes really, and then that is it. We're going to come and add a stalk on top with a little leaf just to add that extra detail, but it's nothing too like intense, nothing too serious, just having a little bit of fun experimenting. Just take a little time to practice your bead consistency when you're working with small beads of acrylic and how to control them, and in no time I'm sure you'll be freaking bomb at 3D grapes. But I hope you guys like this cute set. I love the way it turned out. I do think it looked gorgeous, even though I did struggle with the application due to my monomer losing its strength. Okay guys, so this is the final result. I really hope that you've enjoyed this video. I know it was a little bit all over the place. There was kind of like just loads of stuff jammed in there. I hope it helped you in some way, or possibly you learned something. I have no idea. Anyways, I did really like working on this hand, and I'm going to show you the full hand right now. Again, like I said, I'm having a full review video of all of the hands that I've received, all the hands that I've bought and purchased myself, and I'll let you guys know which one I think is the bombest, obviously. I hope you enjoyed this video, and please always remember that you are bomb.com, lit as fuck, and don't ever let anyone tell you any different, because you've got this and I love you. Mwah. Bye!
I'm always doing the most, finish my cup and reload. Let it swing right back, let it swing right back.